Hi family, welcome back to my channel. And yes, we are here again, and it's still 12 days of Christmas. But guess what, we are at day number 10. Can you believe that the time is going by so fast? Yes, it is. And I have a little something for you today. Yes, you. I have a little something to show you today. As you can see in my title below, I'm going to show you my decor, what I managed to put together. Come along. Here is looking like. This is the wreath I added. What I did, I actually purchased the wreath, but I just add the balls and the bow so that it can match well with the Christmas colors that I am using. Remember when I was creating this little DIY, this is it. This is exactly what I did, and this is exactly where I was gonna place it. Remember I said I'm gonna put it on my counter, so yeah, that is it. So once you enter from this door here that I just show you the wreath, and you look across, that's exactly what you're gonna see. So guys, in the kitchen I did not do a lot, but I did these little things. It's little bows on my cupboard. If you can see it, that's what I did with the cupboard. Yeah, so that's basically what I did with the kitchen. I didn't do a lot with the kitchen. And also I just create a little bow here for the kitchen towels. So yeah, that's basically what the kitchen is looking like in terms of decoration. My favorite little area of the whole entire thing, I like this little table because this was exactly what I was going for, a kind of boohoo effect. I didn't get everything that I wanted, but nonetheless I am contented with what I got. This is the mats. Oh my god, I love them. I hope you're able to see the colors. They're really beautiful in person. I really love it. And for this little vase here, I actually got it from Amazon. I got the grass from Amazon, and then I put it together myself. So yeah, and created this little thing here. I wanted to lift it a little, but I didn't get a chance to do that. So yeah, that is it for the dining. So in my home, I don't have anywhere to hang stockings, so I created this little DIY area and I put up a stocking there. So the middle one is for my child, it's in red. The 2-in-1 is for us, the adult, and red is a part of our team. And as you can see, I'm going with red, white, and gold. Right, so we are moving to the side of my Christmas tree. So that's the side. This is what it looks like from the side. Right, so that's the side area of the tree, and that's how it's currently looking. So we are going to pan the front of the tree now so you can see what I went for. And this is what I mainly like go for at Christmas time, a tree. To be honest with you, I don't normally do much decor because the reason for the season is really Christ, so I don't really go for all of that. So yeah, this is exactly what it looks like. This is what we have going on here. So you can see the entire tree area here. And you see the stockings. These are some gifts for my child underneath there that was given to him. And we're gonna move along. Here you can see it. I put a little garland on the TV area. I wanted it to be green, but I wasn't able to get it, so I have to use my colors. So I use the white and gold, and I put a little bow there. But I have a child, he's always pulling in on it, so that's what I have there. And we're going to move now to the sitting area, and I'll show you what I do with that. So that's a little basket I have there, and it's my favorite little thing inside my sitting area. I love it because I don't know if you can see the details of it based on the lighting, but I really love it. It's really cute and girly, of course, and I'm using it to store like my throw that I use personally, and as well as the remote. And here I was trying to get something with tassel for this little piece here, which is this straw here. However, I wasn't able to get the color, but nonetheless I love this. I saw this and I picked it up. So it's kind of, it's white basically. And here I have my, that's a white cushion there, and I have beige. All right, so now let me explain. So the color that I basically went for this season is beige and white, and that's why you're seeing the dining table in beige, right? And over here with a little touch of white, of course, and over here in the sitting area you're seeing that cushion, it's in white, the front one, the back one is beige. And then here I have my little center one, and this one is my accent pillow. So this accent pillow, I have it's in beige and red with a little touch of green, and the reason for this is because it matched my floor rug perfectly well, so I put it back, and also it matches back with the Christmas tree. If you are able to see it like in person, it's really nice. And also on this side I have the matching looking pieces, beige and white again. All right, so that's exactly what the sitting area is looking like. Let me try to give you a pan the area, and you're seeing that little area. It's actually my kid play area. So yeah, so that's that. And here you have the rug here. I have this rug a long time, long time. Yes, so we just clean it and reuse it. You don't have to buy everything all the time. You notice the accent piece I was speaking about, and you can see why I have it. It coordinated with the rug on the floor as well as the Christmas tree. I just turned out the light so I can plug in the tree so you can see exactly what it's looked like at night inside here. So definitely this is how we're looking. And guys, it's not perfect, but personally I love it, and my family love it, which is what matter. And we are all contented with what we have, you know, because that's not the reason for the season. The reason for the season is Jesus Christ. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little clip of my decoration, and it was my pleasure showing it to you because I don't really like putting my home out there like that. But it's Christmas and I said, why not? Let me just show you what's going on inside here. So thank you so much guys for joining me, and see you in my next upload. Bye guys.